Hey guys, this is Jody, and in this video, we're going to do a quick introductory tour to the 2023 Fleetwood Fortis 36Y. Okay guys, here is the Fleetwood Fortis 36Y. It's a 2023 model. $165,995 here at the RV show. MSRP is $249,945. Let's go and have a look at this. Ford V8, 7.3 liter. Let's look at the outside. There's the various options you can get with the Fortis.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting a bunk.
Got a little storage area there. More storage. Slide number 1 over here on this side. Storage. And outside, got a little grill here, refrigerator. Some water over here on this side. A couple of pull-out drawers for utensils and stuff. Workspace. Grill pulls out. Got it at both ends. I got one on the camera. You got a little small grill there. All the various decor you can get. 2023 Class A gas engine Décor Fortis. All right, Kelly's going to walk us inside and show us through the inside. She already took a quick preview. Hey guys, if you'd like a more detailed video, just click the link on the top and we'll make sure we get you over to a more detailed video. Okay. So here in the cockpit, got a couple of pretty nice lounge chairs.
I mean, it shows that going down, but yeah, it goes down next to it. But how does it not fall off of this?
Leveling up here.
You don't know how to sleep in a bed where you don't roll off.
Where's the leg? That thing was just
Or either there's another one, a short one.
So there's some cabinets overhead in the kitchen area. Got a sink,
Yeah, at least it doesn't have
4-burner stove and an oven.
3-burner.
Oh, 3-burner stove and an oven looks like. Here's the bathroom. Precision Circuits keyboard here for lights, leveling, bath, all kinds of stuff here. Pretty cool. Looks like it's pretty responsive. Some storage here, pantry. Looks like it's got an Insignia refrigerator here. Where you pull out. And it looks like it's a residential refrigerator. It doesn't have the fins in the back, so it's a residential. Works on electric only. You got a TV, and you got a bed. Storage over the bed. These are like barn doors here. They slide over to close this area off from the rest. And back here is like a little living room area that's completely separate, right? Oh, a bunk room. Oh, that's cool.
And have a bath.
Oh, and half a bath. So here's a bunk room for the grandkids and half a bath. How about that?
And
Got a little half a bath here. That's cool. Oh, and you got a washer. Combo, I guess. That's a washer and dryer combo.
they've got plenty of drawer space back here.
Yeah. pretty cool. I guess that bed extends out too and makes another
I'm
place
sure.
to lay down and have fun. So the grandkids, this would be a good place. That's awesome.
Their own little TV and
Yep, their own
Perfect.
TV. They got power and USB connectors back here in the back. Lights, LED lights. AC back here feels good. More storage here on the left. More storage and storage up here. That's pretty cool. Looks like they got everything you need to know about this video is in the description below. Remember to like and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but it means the world to us. Good amount of storage here. 2 full-length closets here. And then several smaller drawers. Okay, that is the 2023 Fleetwood Fortis 36Y. Hey guys, let us know in the comments below what you think about this RV. We hope you enjoyed the video. We'll see you next time.